G'day guys, welcome back. So today we've just gone down to Margaret River to ride at the Pines, so hopefully enjoy the video. So just climbed to the top, now about to send line manager. Drop in for line manager. Oh, these boys are quick. You good?
Yeah.
What happened?
The tree.
The line manager was running pretty smooth. Kay had a bit of a stack, but luckily he's all right. So just climbing up now to the top to send the next trail. So we're heading up to Black Pearl, a black jump line, and it's a bit windy, but we'll see how we go. I'll drop into Black Pearl. Oh, it's a bit gusty too. Oh, it's easy. Yeah, I got that.
I didn't know.
So Black Pearl got a bit windy, so just heading back down to line manager and gonna send line manager again. So just about to hit WRC, which is a blue technical trail. That was pretty dusty. Dropping into Pugsley, a blue flow trail. So just finished riding Pugsley, and for some reason it just felt a bit slippery, but we're heading back to the trailhead and hit another trail from there. So we're just about to drop into Paper Trail for the final trail of the day. that's the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Make sure you like and subscribe and even drop a comment. See you in the next one.